Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis for Bank Nifty. Today is the 27th of March 2023. The current time is 9:05 a.m. IST. Okay, so what happened last Friday is, let's quickly look at it. And first of all, from the context perspective, first things is, we are in a 6-day, sort of a 6-day balance. So this is the balance high, that is around 40,000, and 38,600 is the balance low. Okay, so we are still trading in this overall balance. And what we saw is, we look above the balance and fail. So 40,000 is where supply is pretty strong enough. And we have not yet looked below it, but these are the areas where the supply is shut off. So this is overall, from the context perspective is, I just wanted to share. Now, particularly to this balance, right, where are the value area high and the value area low, and what has happened at this level. So primarily Friday, we have a sort of a balanced profile, wherein supply came in pretty strong and supply shutting off to the lower end. Okay. And later on, so this, for me, this looks more like an inventory liquidation, inventory adjustment. And my focus shifts to 39,230 or 39,200 level, because that is where the 6-day the balance point of control is present. Okay, so so what am I supposed to look at? So one of the areas which I'll be looking at is, we have a poor high, we have a small excess, we have a prominent point of control. So these are the three immediate references which I have. And I'll see whether the pre-open data is comes out, and whether we are opening lower or we are opening within this balance. Okay, so if I look at it, the pre-open data is out. So 39,500 is the area to observe. And why are we opening above, despite of a good balancing, wherein supply came in around about 39,700 levels. This was a nice retest. And then again a retest, and then so overall this was the structure is it is forming a lower low and a lower high. So overall the structure is bearish, is negative. And moreover, we can have a trend line. So if I just draw this, right, so this is trend line 1, this is trend line 2, yeah, blah blah blah. So I just don't want to go through that. But a good data point for me is, why is pre-open opening above 39,400. Okay, so the point of control is 39,587. So the prominent point of control of the Friday's auction. So also observe at this particular level. So the pre-open is opening above. It is still opening. It is still opening within the value, or within the balance of overall the 60 balance. So this is the value, and this is this is out of value, and this is out of value. Yeah. So we are still opening, within the value, which is a good sign. And first of all is, I'll be looking for the price action and the choppiness at 39,500, because these are the areas where I'm seeing stops. So the stops which I'm seeing is this is the level 1, this is level 2. We had some rejection here, so this is level 3, 4, 5, 6. So a lot of stops are present. And if you see, this is like a 45 degree, a nice inclination, or a firecracker effect, which Jim Dalton's and Pete Stadelmeyer and a lot of players talk about this. So we have a good, nice balanced profile, a sign of. So I look at balanced profile as a sign of what do you call, whenever there is a fight. So this is, for me, is a sign of truce. So both the sellers and buyers, they have come to an agreement, and they are negotiating, and they have come to a truce. So a good thing is, the price is opening above, and for me, the previous day low is also the level 2 observe. So odds are higher that, if the price reaches here, we might look below and fail, so for me, this is the price action, or, this is the trade plan. So coming to trade plan, so what I'm looking at is, first of all is, so this is where the price is opening. So look above and continue. So a short covering move. Second is, the 39,500 act as the level of resistance, and, we chop and, tag the low. Third can be we tag the low and then we again move back, and, we are just chopping in this range. Yeah. So these are the three overall trade plan, or, the behavior which I'm expecting today. Also, if I just switch back to the order flow chart, let me just. Okay. So in this particular order flow chart, what the things, which are meeting my eye. So we have got good trapped sellers at the lower end. We have got a gap, so this will be filled today. And on the upper end is where, again, a lot of stops or a lot of liquidity is present. Okay. So for me, I'll be looking to see if we get a good short covering move. And 39,500 is one of the areas. So this is one of the areas which I'll be looking at. Do we look below and fail, or, do we look above and continue, or do we look above and come back lower? Yeah. So those are some of the things. And 39,490, 484. Okay. So this is February low, 484. So we have a stop level here. We have one more stop level here. And then we have the prominent point of control. So a lot of good anomalies to observe. So I'll just hit refresh. And if I look at other charts, right? So we did close below the monthly point of control, volume point of control, and overall, from the yearly and monthly, so monthly we had a good rejection at VWAP. Yearly we are still, balancing. Weekly we had a strong rejection. Yeah. So odds are high that, everything, all the data points are telling me that, you have to go short. But yeah, let's see, where the price opens and how the action develops. So the market will open in next 2 minutes. In the meantime, I'll just log into my broker terminal, and yeah, let me prepare and see, how the overall trade plan, does it develop as per my understanding, or am I seeing any change in this particular overall trade plan. So my trade plan is look above and fail. 39,500 is the area to observe. So I'm just logging into one click, and let me just be ready. So while we are waiting, I just want to share that I'm just taking up this small trading account challenge. So this is my one click, and so I started with 50K. I'm still in loss. So 41,838 is the overall the account balance. Yeah, and I keep generally 5-point SL. So yeah, let's see how the price develops and how it goes. Yeah. So the time is 9:14, 40 seconds. The auction will open in next seconds, couple of seconds. So yeah, let's see how the price opens and price develops. So let me just have some good real estate. Okay, the price has opened. We looked below. So 39,500 is acting as the level of resistance. We are seeing price coming lower. So let's see what happens at 39,400. Yeah, so here from structurally, we are back within the range. We are seeing some supply getting shut off. We tagged the previous close. Okay, so we tag 49,400 and we are developing sort of higher. Okay, so we are just chopping around. Supply is still coming in, so there is supply seen at 39,400. So by the way, I have taken 3 trades. Basically, I'm in like 0.5% loss, and my SL are just keep on getting hit. That's fine. Because the volatility is too high, so you just have to be a bit patient. So I'm looking, so good supply is coming in. Yes, and it seems that I'm just getting chopped off. Now there are trapped buyers, and we are just chopping in this range. So I'm just now trailing my SL, and you can see here this is the LTP, this is my trail, and it got hit. Yeah, so overall these are the overall trades which I have taken. Yeah, so I'm still in loss, but yeah, I'm still seeing supply really coming in, and this is the level of support. Okay, so good supply, here, good volume. RM is what I'm able to see. Okay, so I'm just getting chopped off, and overall I'm still in a loss of 0.5%. So now I'm seeing trapped buyers. Okay, my SL is just 5-point SLR just getting hit. Now we have got stacked buyers here. Okay, so 39,400 has broken, and now I'm looking to see price to go lower. So I'm still in a loss. Yeah, but yeah, the reason why I'm sharing this is to how you should manage your risk, even though I'm seeing the trades still I'm making those losses. Yeah, so recovered some, but yeah, you see the 21, 22, you see the timestamp, 9:21, 28, 9:33, I'm out. Yeah, so you see the volatility, which is continuously coming in. So overall, I am in a loss of 1%. This is the this is the margin which I've used, but overall I'm in a loss, and I have these are the two strike prices which I have traded, or which I have been trading. Now I'm looking at why the price is halting here, because the thing is there are trapped supply here, and plus we have got some good trapped buyers up on the top. So I'm looking for the price to get cleared. There are some trapped sellers here. It closed at it stopped at previous close, but yeah, so I'm looking now at 39,400 and see where if the supply comes in, because we have got some good stacked buying here. Okay, so I was able to capture this and reduce my loss. So from 6 something, I'm still in loss, but yeah, these are overall funds which have been used. So even my 5-point SL are getting it. Now the area to observe is the 39,300 or the previous day low. But looking at this data, we might be seeing some volatile up move. So I'm just waiting and watching. Yeah, so I hope okay, I have not got any comments, but yeah, so I'm just observing. So I'm now just waiting for this particular level to get closed, and we are near an area where the supply is shutting off. So good short covering move has happened. So let's. So I'm just waiting for this particular block to be cleared. We have got trapped buyers above, and we also have got a trapped seller here. So odds are odds are lower that we might see an up move. But yeah, let's see what's the overall, how the overall market progresses. So I manually, this is how manually I mark my levels and observe. So I am getting a okay, no, my put did not work. Okay, so now this is the area I'm looking at, I'm observing. It is breaking up. Nice. That is nice. Let's see. It's continuing higher. But from futures, it is not. It's trying to break. So there is good, so it's taking a lot of time. Yeah, it is still breaking higher. Nice breakout. Okay, so yeah, so I'm still making some execution errors. Supply is still coming in. Both my 5-point SL are getting hit. Now I'm waiting for, there are stops here, so I'm waiting for that to be cleared. Okay, so overall I have made a loss of 2K. Okay, so I'm now looking for a big up move, and I'm in a trade. Okay, so this is how I'm now trailing, and it got executed. Yeah, so I entered at 599, I exited at 613. But overall, so this is what I lost. Overall, I'm still in a 2.5k loss, and that's fine. The reason why I wanted to share this is that I can either execute or I can either do it live. So I still need to work on how to trade live. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, so overall still in a loss. I'll see if I am able to find any good trades now, and after hitting my SL, the price is continuing higher, which is still okay. So this is the cost which I have paid to the market. Yeah, but yeah. The reason why I wanted to share this is, again, I'm still learning. I'm still playing around with a small account challenge, and I'm seeing we are having continuation to the higher side. And now it will be tagging the point of control. This is where I'm looking to see some supply to come in. It has cleared this level. Now a nice stop run. So now let it fall, and this is the area where again I'll be entering and buying my buying again. Okay, so I entered that area again, and 543 to 542. Yeah, so this is the entry and this is the exit. Yeah, so we are just this is the level where we are just chopping around, and this is where when the price came here, this is where I bought it, and now we are seeing continuation to the higher side. Yeah, so I'm just waiting. Let it chop here. Let it chop. So 39,500 is the level of support now. Yeah, so try to re-enter again, but my SL got hit. But yeah, 563 is where I entered, and this is so 38 to 46 seconds. So you see how how volatile the overall price reaction is. So it failed to continue higher. Now I'm in a put trade. I'm just trailing my SL. So I'm waiting for 39,500 to be broken now, but yeah, it failed. So yes, so this is that order. I entered at 310. My SL got hit at 312. Now I'm seeing just balancing at the 39,500 levels. 40. Yeah, so again it hit my SL, and now it has broken the 39,500 level. So now again I'm trailing, and this also got hit. Yeah, so a lot of choppiness is seen, and yeah, so this is entry exit, this is entry exit. But I hope, but yeah, I'm still in a loss, so I'm not eager to trail or take this loss, but I'm just looking at the reaction and see the price getting just dropped, and yeah. Okay, so this has got hit 322 to 317, but yeah, I don't know why it is not uploaded here, not updated here, but yeah. Okay, yeah, so this got rejected because yeah, it was trying, but yeah, so 311.82 to 311. 3k is the overall loss, and now looking at retracement. This is where the supply is still coming in stronger. I'm again in a put trade, and it is still getting chopped off. So I'm back into the call trade, and this is my SL, this is the LTP. Let's see whether it gets hit. So I'm just trailing manually. And you can check it with this, yeah. So my target is the point of control. Okay, and it just got hit. I'm entering a put position. Yeah, it also got hit. That's fine. So we are seeing some continuation to the higher side, but yeah, 545 to 574, then 292 to 287. But yeah, we are seeing continuation to the higher side. Let me just hit refresh. I'll keep SL as 5 points, and yeah, we are seeing a nice continuation to the higher side. Okay, so overall I'm still in a loss of 26.22. That is about 5.2%, which is what my entire weekly 2 weeks profit has been eroded, which is fine. But the reason why I wanted to share this is to help you understand the volatility and how I am taking the trades. Now I'm in a put trade, and yeah, so again that SL still, my SLs are just getting hit left, right and center. And my trade plan is to I'll be seeing some supply here. Yes, I did saw some supply, and now we are just trading this. So finally, yeah, so this is 41, and I now just have 38k. This is the overall funds which I've utilized. I am still seeing a short trade. Let me this might get hit. Let's see. Yes, it got hit. So 353 to 348, and yeah, it is just chopping around, but yeah, overall still in a loss. Okay, yes, so supply is getting absorbed. So okay, so ending the session. Yeah, I've been talking since last 35 minutes, but yeah, hope you enjoyed and had a great learning experience. Yeah, so I'll see you again tomorrow. So take care. Thank you.